Yum, yum. Popper's feeding herself. Oh, you flung it. Let me help you. Oh, you don't want me to help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Alright. Oh,
Mom,
drop
will you
some.
please give me a drink?
Let's get this right here.
Mom.
Good
I
job.
want an apple.
Get you an apple then. It's right here.
But
Wait, if you're not done with your food. Just wait.
Oh, can I have an apple for my dinner?
Good girl.
Mom.
Jack said, he's jealous, I want some food. What's she doing, Pipey? Her's feeding herself. He's such a good girl.
I can get some dessert.